Hello friends, today we are going to make an amazing dessert using only 3 eggs. This dessert is considered a Japanese traditional dish. It will be ready in just 5 minutes. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. First, separate the whites from the yolks of the 3 eggs. Add sugar to the egg whites and whisk them until they become fluffy. Like snow. Then add a little salt to the egg yolks and mix well. Gently combine the yolks with the whipped egg whites. Next, lightly grease a preheated frying pan with oil and pour in the mixture. Look how beautiful it is. The bottom cooks in about 1 minute. Just follow the steps shown in the video. Which country are you from? Write it in the comments. I'll be happy to read your answers. Thank you in advance.